So good afternoon everybody. I'm on my way to take my last Dutch exam. After 6 exams, today could be the day that I'm finally over with them. So far I've passed all of them. I'm still waiting on my last score. So yeah, almost there. Today is going to be a busy day. After I'm done with the exam, I have to go back home. I have to finish working. I have to pack and I will be departing to Düsseldorf. So yeah, it's going to be a weekend at Düsseldorf. But first things first. Okay, so I'm done. There were 6 exams in total and I left the easier ones for the end. I think it's better to do the hardest one first, when your head is still fresh, and leave the easier ones for last. And as you can see, it's raining again. So let's go back. And here we are at Central Station. I have to wait like 30 minutes, but it's okay. I'll try this one today. So to get to Düsseldorf, I have to go to Utrecht first. Thank you. This station is a freezer. I think it's colder in here than outside. So I still have to take another train. I wonder which snack I'll take with me. That sandwich that I had was small actually. So I got the lunch deal. Basically these two things for €5. Quite good actually. So that's my train, 7:04. So I was quite lucky actually. Because I took a few trains early, I would make my connection to the ICE. The train that I was supposed to take has a delay, so I would have missed my ICE. So yeah, trains are really good here and that usually doesn't happen. But it's better to be prepared. And believe me, you really don't want to miss the ICE. Okay, so I have the carriage 33. The first thing I need to do is search on the train map where that carriage is. Oh yeah, that's not helpful. So it's between J and K. Okay, so this is a spot. There's K and there's J. So the train should be here quite soon. It's colder than it seems. The weather app says about 10 degrees, but it actually feels like 5 degrees. So you can imagine how cold it feels when there's wind. Surprisingly, it's on time.
Good evening, dear passengers.
This is the view that I got. Thank you, DB. So after almost 2 hours, we are at Düsseldorf. Now I need to take the metro to the Airbnb. I think I can take this one. So I'm at the Overcastle neighborhood and I think I'm going to call it a day. Tomorrow I have to work and I guess in the afternoon I will go out and explore a bit the city. There's one lights festival that's going to take place tomorrow or on Saturday, I'm not really sure. So that might be a plan.